how to earn 1 lakh per month from your medical clinic just by doing the consultation. If you're a doctor, uh, irrespective of which clinical specialty or which trade of medical practice, this is this video is going to be super helpful for you. I am going to give you a simple plan by which you will be able to earn 1 lakh per month from your clinical consultation. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel because I create various tips and tutorials for doctors to help them grow their clinical practice. My name is Dr. Nitin, and if you have subscribed to this channel, let's move ahead now with today's topic. So uh, let me know in the comment section if you already have your clinical practice or you are into job. And if you are into clinical practice, what is the clinical specialty that you are into? So to decode this, like how you can make 1 lakh per month, you need to understand few aspects before you go to the financial computation part. So you need to have a strategic approach how you are going to earn 1 lakh per month. So you need to build a strategy. Uh, because why strategy? You might be in particular location, you might be from particular village, or you might be from metro city. So this number will may not be relevant for you. It will vary from the location, the area where your clinical practice is established. So depending on that, you need to take strategic approach and you need to do a careful planning how you are going to do the activities so that you can earn this 1 lakh per month from your clinical consultation. So the very first and most critical criteria is you need to have a strong online presence. It can be any platform or any mode, but you need to have strong online and digital presence. You need to have ongoing patient feedback. So whenever you do patient consultation, you need to take feedback from that patient regarding your consultation services because that is something which not, I would say 99.99% doctors do not ask for the feedback from their patient. So if you are going to ask that feedback, how that feedback is going to help you, it will tell you what are the deficiencies and what are the strengths of your clinical consultation or clinical practice. Patient is coming back to you does not mean that your service is good. It might be possible that for the patient, you are the only option available in that area. So if you are misutilizing this aspect, it might not be good for your clinical growth because maybe now or in near future, some other clinician might come in your area and suddenly all the patient will start going to your uh, competitor clinician. So if you want to avoid that, you need to start building that trust and confidence with your patient from day one. So that's why that patient feedback is necessary. Then you need to focus only on the patient care aspect. Like any other aspect related to your clinic management, you need to either uh, create a team, you need to hire some staff, you need to assign them all the administrative tasks, all the marketing tasks, or maybe you can outsource this task to some other marketing agency. Your sole focus should be on the patient care because when you are providing adequate patient care, that patient is definitely going to come back to you. So if you are clear till now, let me know in the comment section. Let's move to the computation part. So for sake of discussion, as I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, These numbers will vary from the area, from the geography, from the location, the type of clinical specialty you are having. But this is just for your understanding. Let's say you have either 100 patients, and per patient you have 1,000 patients, and per patient you are charging 100 rupees. That way, that is one scenario how you can generate 1 lakh rupees per month. There might be another scenario like for each consultation you are charging 100 rupees. So if you are doing 1,000 appointments in a month, so 1,000 into 100 is 1 lakh rupees per month. So this is how you can uh, generate 1 lakh per month from your clinical practice consultation part. So you might be wondering how to get to number of 1,000 appointments of the patient. So we'll go there, but let's first understand what are the mistakes done by the doctors in their clinic. So they just keep on waiting and hoping for the patient. What do I mean by waiting and hoping? They wait that patient will come. I have good quality service. I do provide good uh, treatment to my patient. Maybe I am highly educated. I have multiple degrees, and those kind of doctors are waiting for patient. That patient will come someday, and then I will manage that patient. You need to reach out to your patient. Patient is definitely going to come you, but on top of that, you need to reach out to your patient. Then only they are going to come back to you. So that is why I am saying any doctor, they are waiting for the patient or hoping for the patient. So let's come to this critical part, how you can get this patient to your clinic for consultation. There are various methods. You can do social media marketing. Through social media, there are multiple social media platforms, and you can utilize those platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and there. So you can use one or more social media platforms to reach out to your target patient. You can do website SEO. For that, you need to build a SEO website and do the SEO of SEO is search engine optimization, so that your website rank higher in the Google search engine if somebody is searching for services. Then you can do follow-up calling. If you have staff, you can utilize that staff to call and give reminders to your patient so that they come for follow-up to your clinic. You can do email marketing if you have email ID of your patient. You can do SMS and WhatsApp marketing if you have your patient's phone number. You can reach out to them with the follow-up reminder. So these are the few ways how you can uh, reach out to your patients and get those patients to your clinic for the appointment. And if you want to know more about details, I invite you to join a community of doctors exclusively dedicated for helping doctors to grow their clinical practice in various aspects. To become part of this community for free, you can utilize my special coupon code. The link and the coupon code is mentioned in the description section and the comment section of this video. You can click that link, and from there you can join the community and apply the coupon code for joining the community for free. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. And if you found this information useful, please give me a like thumbs up so that I understand that you are getting value from this video. And if you have any questions related to how you can customize for your local scenario for your clinic in different location, you can let me know in the comment section. You can ask your questions in the comment section. I will personally reply and I will guide you. I will give you clarity how you can get this kind of income from your consultation in your clinic. So till next episode, bye from my side. Dr. Nitin signing out.